Hey, what's going on, traders? What I want to do is I want to leave you with your weekly watch list for May 22nd. So right now what we're seeing is the S&P 500. I like the S&P 500 to the upside. If we do not get any kind of bad news in the market this week, I do see us going up to this 430 mark. Nice little resistance level right here, this 430 mark. If we hold this 418. So as you can see, we end up breaking it on Friday, 418. We held 418. Now we just need to continue to hold 418 for the push up to 420, 425, and up to this 430 area. That's going to be your next level of resistance. If we cannot hold 418, please look at some puts right back down to that 410 area, right? So the 50-day moving average will be strong support for you guys or for us. As you can see, we held up around that around the 50-day moving average right here. So look for on Monday, look for a spike to the upside, a 430 call option. Honestly, I like to play the 422s, maybe the 423s. Look for that. I swing mines for a whole day into the next day for that nice big movement to the upside. We can trade sideways just like we did around here for a couple of weeks, right around here. But still, we're looking for the push up to that 430. If we cannot hold 418 or that 415 area right here, all right, because old resistance become new support. So we cannot hold 415. We're going to fall back down to that 410 mark. All right, so look for puts if we can't hold 415. I'll look for 411, maybe 412 puts to the downside, but we will probably try to retest that for that 410 where the 50-day moving average is. All right, that's your game plan for the S&P 500. Other than that, let's take a look at the next one. So here's Tesla. I do like Tesla, as Tesla was on a nice big downtrend. As you can see, we end up coming down to the 50-day moving average, kind of held around that area, and now you can see that we actually are breaking the downtrend, right? So we held around the 50-day moving average, held that support right here on this candle, on this 4 hour, well, we're looking at the 4 hour chart. So right here, this candle held, and now we're literally trying to break that downtrend. So we're breaking the downtrend. As you can see, we're breaking out from those levels. I like Tesla hitting that 185 mark, which is the first level of resistance, back up into the 190s, right? So once Tesla get back into that 190s, they're gonna retest 200, and once it retests around that 200 mark, which is around here, see 200. Once we retest that 200 and we break out, we got room to that 217. And you know how Tesla run, they running like, and when Tesla run, we can get $25 in a day. So if Tesla break out that 200, we can look for 215, maybe even at 220. So if you want a lottery play, let's go. You can go ahead and get like a 225 call option. Maybe give yourself some time. But that's the lottery play, because if Tesla do break out that 185 and then break through 200, then we got room to fly. All right, so that's Tesla. Next on our list is OXY. As you can know, Warren Buffett has been loading up on this one, and as you can see, we have a nice little downtrend, right? So you have, if I can draw a little snowman or a skier, a stick figure with some skis, he can literally ski down this mountain. So now what we have is $58 support. We literally breaking across the 50-day moving average. The 9-day moving average is crossing. I do like it when the 9 cross above the 50-day. That means it's more bullish. So watch for this to break out above $60. All right, $60 is tough, strong resistance for this stock, as you can see. Right there, that's $60. We came up to $60, then just came right back down to the 50-day moving average. So watch this stock end up breaking the downtrend. If we can't break through this downtrend, then we'll just break down. But Warren Buffett did just buy more shares of OXY. So keep OXY on your list. Watch for the break of the $60. Then we have room up to that $64, $65 area. Next we have, or last but not least, we have NVDA. So NVDA, nice big solid uptrend. Just looking at the 4 hour chart, Nice bit uptrend since January 2023. As you can see, it's holding. As you can see, every time it get overextended from the trend line, it end up coming right back down. Overextended from the trend line, comes right back down. Overextended from the trend line, end up coming right back down. So watch for this stock to get overextended from the trend line and work its way back down. Can you get into puts right now? Absolutely, right? Just play the 50-day moving average. As you can see, the 50-day moving average, it will literally go above it, come back down to it, bounce off of it, come back down to it, and it broke down, broke back up, came right back down. Just play the trend line. I like playing the trend line. This is a trend line play. Just if you're looking at this play and you want the best entry, get your entry right here on your trend line. So put your trend line on your chart and wait for it to come down to the trend line. Get your entries. As you can see, if you would have got an entry right here, nice little payout, entry right here, nice little payout, entry right here, nice little payout. So wait for it to come down to the trend line and get your entry. That's the best entry price for that stock. So keeping the video on a watch. This is the 4-hour chart, so keep the video on watch for a trend line bounce play. All right, other than that, I hope you guys have a blessed week and continue making this money, continue trading your strategy, and let's get it.